So la kuma-linear combinations sikhuluma ngama-column vectors. So we'll be using ama-column vectors. Basically, i-column vector ima kanjani? If I say ukuthi I've got a vector V that is found in Rn, kanjani? I'm just trying to say ukuthi i-vector yami, it is actually a column of ama-numbers, ama-real numbers. Lo R lona, it represents any ama-real numbers. So I'm trying to say ukuthi my vector V is actually a column of real numbers. So ngizovele ngibhale u-n lapha phezulu. So u-n loya, it tells you the number of entries that are found in that particular vector. For example, if I say ukuthi I've got a vector V, let's say i-vector yami, I say ukuthi it has got entries u1 no -2. This vector, we say ukuthi it is an element of ubani, it is an element of R with u2 phezulu. To say ukuthi this is a column vector, like we're having two numbers in a column. Nangu u1 nobani no -2. If I say ukuthi my vector U is given by, maybe I say this is 2, 3, 5. So this vector is a column vector nakhona, having how many entries? 3 entries, and all of them, they are real numbers. So we can say my vector U is an element of what? Is an element of real with u3 laphaya. So these are column vectors. So njengamanje we are trying to scrape away the idea that if vector is an error none. We are not using that idea anymore because we are looking at ama vectors whereby the entries are represented using one column. So see representa ngale format lena, but if you are writing them in a paragraph form, let's just say mhlambe kuyi sentence bakubuza question ngo vector V kanjena. Vector V, they won't write these as square brackets, noma these arrays. Instead, they were gonna say ukuthi vector V is given by ubani, by u1, nobani, no -2. And they will say that vector U is given by ubani, u2, 3, 5. So they use the format lena if you are writing a question like if vector yakho is in a paragraph kanjena. Mhlambe bayabhala lapha bathi find the vector V which is equals to 1, 2. Angeke babhala amalotho njani ama arrays kanjena noma these square brackets. They will write round brackets and then they were separating a comma. So please make sure that you get used to this format. So that's how we indicate how we indicate ama vectors. So into ekumele siyazi is the mathematics that you can do with ama vectors. So we can do a couple of operations on column vectors. So we can do a couple of operations. Yini esingayenza kuma vectors? It's still the same operations. You can do vector addition, you can do scalar multiplication, you can also do a combination now. For example, if I say ukuthi I've got a vector V which is a column vector given by ama entries u2, 3, and I've got a vector U given by ubani u4, 6 kanjena, I can do vector addition. I can find the sum of uv nobani no u, vector V and vector U. I put arrows on top, commit this is a vector. So I can say V plus U and just add each entry. I add ama entries are corresponding, like u2 plus 4, that's gonna give me ubani, that's gonna give me 6. u3 plus 6, that's gonna give me u9. So get used to such arithmetic. You are just simply adding them. Or what can you do to your column vector? You can multiply by a scalar multiple, maybe multiply the vector U by u2. This will be 2 times U. So it means you're gonna multiply vector U by u2, by the scalar factor 2. In this case, vector U will stay u4 and 6. So if you multiply this by 2, this is gonna be 2 times 4, and that's gonna give you ubani, that's gonna give you 8 and 12. So this is one of the operations that you can do on our vectors, ama column vectors. Saying our treat here is ama matrices now. So sawabiza ama column vectors at least for now. So you can do a combination of such. So why are we even doing this? Let's try to do is splitting. Let's just try to say, I've got ama solutions X. Solutions which is X, Y, and Z. So this is a vector having X, no Y, no Z. Those are the 3 elements. And then maybe you are given the following properties. But see, you are having X. Here, see shift elegant man. So let's just say this is your vector having x, y, z. It's more like solutions. And then they give you that this is 2t1 minus 3t2. They say la mhlampe bathi 2t1 kuphela. Mhlampe la bathi maybe city plus 3, city minus 2. Let's say 2t2, for example. So this is suggesting ukuthi x is equals to this, into engaphezulu angisho. And y is equals to this, angisho. Z is equals to this, sayibona leyo nto angisho. So we can rather split it, nakhona and try to use this scalar multiplication to represent lento le using scalar multiplication. We can say ukuthi here we are having T1, T2 nani ne constant. Sayibona ngisho. So lana masingabuka i-first row sino T1 angisho. And T1 wethu multiply nobani no 2. The second row sinobani sino T1 multiply nobani no 2. The third row asinayo T1. So I can rather say ukuthi T1 I can form its own vector by saying ukuthi the first entry ka T1 multiply ubani u2. The second entry is multiplied by 2. The third entry, T1 multiply nobani, is 0. So I can say this is 0. But akuphelelanga because we are having other entries such as T2 nobani and a constant. So if I look at T2 and I say I isolate T2 as a constant, if I isolate T2 as a constant, lana I look at the first row. At the first row, T2 coefficient yakhe ubani, -3. So that would be the first entry, -3. The second row T2 coefficient yakhe ubani lana u0. Siyabona ngisho akekho T2. So this is going to be 0. Then the third row T2 wakho entry yakhe ubani u2. So this is going to be 2. But am I done? Have I mentioned all coefficients now lana? No. Sasele lokho kungenathi lokho angisho. So masingabuka lokho kungenathi kusho ukuthi coefficient yakho ubani? 1. Yeah, akunathi, it's like 1 times 3, 1 times -2. They don't have anything. So you don't have to write anything lapho. So I can say ukuthi in the first row, kungaki lokho okungamultiplyanga by ut or anything, just a constant. U3. Sayibona ngisho. And then for this one, kungaki okuyi-constant lana? Ilo -2 kuphela. And then for the last one, kungaki okuyi-constant? Akukho. So it's 0. So this is how we split. So you can choose to split your column vector sum. You can split it into what? Into separate sections. Using effect also you have to know T1 is multiplied to these coefficients. T2 is multiplied to these coefficients. And U1 is multiplied to these coefficients. So this is what you are getting from this entry on Iolan. So please situate notation we can split. We can split matrices according to the what? To the scalar multiples, according to the multiples that you're having. For example, lana, according to T1, the first column is multiplied by 2. According to T1, the second column is multiplied by 2T. So if you do scalar multiplication again, bese our eta izokubuyisela back to this one. So siyabona ukuthi sisplita kanjani ngisho. Lama skills lawa they are very important in understanding ama linear combinations. So now that we know how to split and all of that, now we can now do this thing of linear combinations. So when I'm talking about a linear combination, you are having a vector and you can express it as a sum of scalar multiples of other vectors. So let's look at, for example, let's just say I take a vector, vector B, right? Ngithi vector B in a paragraph format, maybe I say is given by 2, 0, 0. And then you are given another vector space having uv1, uv1 wako. Let's just say, okay, let me just say, they say you are given vector B and you are given vector v1, which is given by maybe 0, 1, 0, kanjeni. And vector v2, maybe which is given by uban. Let's just make something like a 1, whatever. Okay, let's just say this is 2. 1, 2. Let's say it's -1, 0. This is just an example. So you are given 3 vectors lana. So we'll just say v1 no v2, they are vectors in the same vector space, right? So what do you notice here? We can express b using vector v1 nobani no vector v2. Sayibona leyo nto ngisho. Singakwazi ukuthola b le vector lena ethi 2 0 0. We can find it by using v1 that says 0 2 0 and v2 that says 1 negative 1 0. Sayibona ukuthi singayenza kanjani leyo nto? Okay, how can we do it? How can we combine v1 no v2? Khona bazosikhipela lokho. Let's just say hlanganisa u0 no 1. Are we gonna get 2? No, angisho. But if we multiply v2 wethu by u2, then so u0 plus 2 solubani u2. Okay, let's just do it practically. If we say 2 times vector v2 and then we add this to vector v1, we must be able to get vector b. Let me just prove it to you. If I say 2 times vector v2 wami is given by ubani 1 negative 1 0 angisho, and vector v1 is given by what? It's given by 0 2 0, and I say I'm supposed to get a vector. I'm supposed to get something, an outcome lana. Let me just solve the outcome yami ukuthi injani lana. If I solve the outcome, if I do scalar multiplication, this is going to give me u2 negative 2 0 angisho, and then on the other side this is plus, this is gonna give me u0 2 0. Sayibona leyo nto angisho. And if you add this, remember you can do vector addition, right? So you can add 2 plus 0 uthola ubani u2. U-add to negative 2 no 2 uthola ubani u0. Add to 0 no 0 uthola ubani u0. Do you see that this is exactly the same thing as ubani as vector b? Do you see that this b wethu is 2 0 0, and masihlanganisa u2 v2 no v1, we must get ubani, we must get b. So we can say vector b is a linear combination. So therefore vector b is a linear combination. So vector b is a linear combination of vector bani, of vector v1 and vector bani v2. So sithi b wethu uyini, linear combination of vector v1 and vector v2. Why sisho njalo? Because when we combined, combining simply means adding in other ways. So when we added vector v2 and vector v1, we got vector b. But as velanga sathi v2 plus v1, because we multiplied v2 by ubani, by u2 first. Why did we multiply by u2? It's so that sizothola b wethu esimfunayo. So kahle kahle lo 2 lona v2 si multiply no 2 angisho, bese v1 si multiply nobani no 1. So we can say ukuthi u2 nalo v1 lona they are what? They are coefficients. Let's multiply ama vector wethu now. So we say vector b is a linear combination of v1 and v2 with the coefficients, which is c1. I will call coefficient c1 as u2, going multiply v1 now, v2 now. Okay, let's just call it c2 then. And then ubani c1 as ubani as u1, the one that I've used to multiply v1 now. Let's revisit again. Ngitheni siqaleni lana. You are given vector b given 2 0 0, and you are having 2 vectors v1 no v2, assuming that they are in the same vector space. This is v1, this is v2. So ngithini mina, I can use vector v1 and vector v2 to express ubani vector b. Kahle kahle ngakwazi ukusolve vector b using ubani v1 no v2. But if I just add them, I'm not gonna get vector b, because if I just say 0 plus 1 kanjena angeke ngize ngimthole lo 2. Sayibona ngisho. So I devised a plan and I said that if I multiply vector v2 with u2, this is gonna be 0 plus 2, and I'm gonna get ubani u2. I did it practically kanjena ngathini, if I multiply vector v2 by 2 and I add to vector v1, I'm gonna get b. And I try to prove that by saying 2 times vector v2 is 1 negative 1 0. So this is 2 umfake phakathi is 2 negative 2 0. This is 0 2 0. If you add these two, uthola ubani? Uthola 2 0 0, which is exactly ubani? Vector b. So vector b lana we have obtained it by adding ubani? Vector v2 by v1. But v2 wethu si multiply nobani? No 2. So we say vector B is a linear combination. Kabani, ka vector V1 and vector V2. But with the combine, we did what? We first multiplied V2 by a scalar. So that scalar is known as a coefficient of a linear combination here. So the vector B is a linear combination of V1 and V2 with the coefficients C2 is equals to 2 and C1 is equals to 1. So kahle kahle mina u-C2 lona ile coefficient engimultiply ngayo bani vector V2 nangu 2 lana. And then u-C1 ile coefficient engimultiply ubani vector V1 nangu V1 lana. So do we see the demonstration? Is it clear? So a linear combination ubanayo when you can express a vector as the sum of the scalar multiples of two other vectors, no more, 2 or more. In this case, we have done scalar multiplication by 2, we've done scalar multiplication by 1. So a linear combination, we get it by doing the sum of the scalar multiples of two other vectors in the vector space. So now the thing is, what if you are given lana again? They say you are having a vector B. So given that a vector B is given by ubani, given by negative 14, 43, 6. Negative 14, 43, 6. And furthermore, you are given that you are having two vectors. I'll just put them in this. You say vector V11 is given by 4, negative 8, 3. So 4, negative 8, 3. And another vector, V2, that are in the same vector space. V2 is given by ubanena, given by negative 2, 9, 4. Negative 2, 9, 4. Now, so, lana, the question is saying with him, express vector B as a linear combination of V1 and V2. Should we express any vector B as a linear combination? Should we say when I was told B using vector V1 no vector bani no vector V2. Now it was way more easier because I'm a number that we're just playing around with numbers because we knew if we just put 2 zohlangana. Lana, how can you just guess if ngafaka u2? Like, are you gonna take your calculator bese uyawacofa ama number like 1 by 1? Uthi mangafaka u2 lana ngifaka u3 lana ngihlanganise am I gonna get to B? No. You have to have some structure, some way of getting the constants. So thina ke equation yethu ithini lana? Our question is saying express vector B as a linear combination. Express vector B as a linear combination of vector V1 and vector V2. So sifuna ukuthola uB by adding uV1 no V2. But masingavele siba-add njengamanje, can we get to B? Let's test it. If I add u4 plus negative 2, am I gonna get this n to negative 14? No. So you cannot just add them straightforward. You need to find ukuthi mele ngimultiply ngani lana, khona ngizenza njani? Khona ngizothi mangiwa-add ngithola ubani? uB. So that's the thing here. So for you to express something as a linear combination, we're trying to say that vector B must be a scalar times vector V1 plus another scalar times ubani? Vector V2. Vector V1 no V2 siyabazi, no B siyamazi, but we don't know which scalar should I use to multiply V1 no V2, so that when I add them together, I get ubani? I get B. So our aim here is to find C1 no C2 such that B is equal to C1 times V1 plus C2 times V2. So sifuna ukuthi iyiphi scalar multiple ekumele ngimultiply ngayo vector V1 ngiphinde ngimultiply vector V2 and add them together such that ngizothola ubani? Vector B. Yezwakala lokho ngisho. So in other ways, I'm trying to say, let's express our vector now. Manje I express in form of a paragraph because we are now solving the actual problem. So our vector B is negative 14, 43, 6. And we are looking for constant C1 which will be multiplied by vector v1, which is 4, negative 8, 3, plus another constant c2, which will be multiplied by vector v2, which is given by negative 2, 9, 4. So the question here, what is c1 no c2? C1 no c2 kumele babe ubani? Khona kuukuthi mangizowa multiply lana bese ngiyawa add, I'm gonna get vector bani? Vector b. That's when we need to use the tricks. Remember, what did I say here? This is c1 times 4 times negative 8 times 3. This is c2 times negative 2 times 9 times 4. Right. When you are trying to solve c1 no c2. So we are trying to say the solutions here is now allow. These are our solutions. These are our missing things. We are looking for ubani, c1 no c2. You need to remember one thing from the first year level matrix. If you are having ax is equals to b, what is x going to be equal to? If you're having ax is equals to b, how can you express ulotunjan? How can you express, okay, if A is a matrix and X is the solution, and this is giving you B, how do you express X lan? Senze kanjani sexpressa kanjani? Noma senze le identity okungcono le inverse. Mangathi a matrix times the identity matrix must give me the inverse matrix, for example. What if I have got the inverse matrix? How do I get to A? Let's just say what must be A in terms of our matrices? How do we deal with this in matrices? If you remember at first year level, if I say matrix A times the identity matrix, I must get the inverse matrix. What if I've got the inverse matrix, the identity matrix? How can I get to A? Uthathu I umise ngalena ngisho. But you're gonna present I wako, you're gonna present it as a what? As a solution. You're going to present I as what? As a solution, right? So similarly, we're going to do the similar approach line. We are looking for C1 or C2. We are having solutions already on the other side. So we can actually turn this into one matrix. We can just combine this into one matrix such that the coefficients that we are having C1, 4, no bani, no negative 8, no 3. You write them down the column. Because C1, uzobona mase multiply, it will make sense. And the other one for C2 is what? Is negative 2, 9, 4. This means ukuthini? This means ukuthi le column lena I column kabani? Ka C1. Le column lena I column kabani? Ka C2. So I'm going to multiply this by ubani? By C1 no C2. This is so possible because matrix multiplication is in. The number of rows of the first column must be equal of the first matrix must be equal to the number of or the number of columns of this must be equal to the number of rows of this. So this product is defined. This of whom we ends multiplication. And this is compress le part length. Shift la. So this part can be written in this form. You can prove it. If you say 4 times C1, safana no 4 times C1 jalan. If you say negative 2 times C2, safana no negative 2 times C2. If you say negative 8 times C1, safana la negative 8 times C1. If you know in matrix multiplication, it will be easy for you. This is this times this times that, this times this times that, this times this times that. So say I want it still make sense. Yes, please visit your matrix multiplication. Hey, I'm not teaching first years. So this on the other side, I'm having negative 14, no 43, no 6. Now, so lana I'm trying to solve C1 or C2. Since you apply the you are multiplying two matrices, and the unknown is on this side. Ngenza kanjani mina ukuthi ngithole C1 no C2 lana? What can I do? What can I do? I can combine this angisho. As shown in so combine kanjani? How am I going to combine it? Ngibe nobani? No 4, no negative 8, no 3. Then no negative 2, no 9, no 4. These are the entries of the matrix, right? And what are the solutions of the matrix? These are the solutions. Remember, we put a line. Go. Kumbulani. Lanagi. We're having A, matrix A times identity matrix is the inverse matrix. To find matrix A, what must I do? I must say the inverse and then ngifaka line that I will be what? Will be the solutions. That's how you transpose matrices. It's not really a transpose, but uthatha kanjani matrix from one side of the equal sign to the other side of the equal sign. Uthatha lo I lona umfaka ngalena, but umfaka as a what? As a solution. You put a line. Similarly here, I'm gonna take this matrix and then I'm gonna put this as a what? As a solution. So the solution of the matrix is what? Is negative 14, is 43, is 6. Now, so this still holds to say UC1 is the first column. It's going to multiply the first column. Then UC2 is going to multiply in the second column. So basically, the column lena ega C1, the column lena ega bani ega C2. So all you have to do is to solve for C1 and C2 using row reduction. Simple thing ke manje masekunje. Asenzeni ke manje i-row reduction. If I do row reduction here, what can I change on which row? We can start by this negative 8 angisho. Singayishintsha kanjani lo negative 8 abe u0? At least solve C1 no C2. I'm sure we are looking for the constants, noma the coefficients of the linear combination. So lana ke let's reduce it. Asiqale sireduce. This is 4, this is negative 2, this is negative 14. And then on this side, we want to reduce the negative 8 abe ubani abe u0. What can we use in this column that you can use to reduce the negative 8 above 0? 2 times ubani? R1 plus R2. So 2 times 4 is positive 8 minus 8 is going to give me 0. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 angisho. Negative 4 plus 9 so ubani? 5 or positive. Then 2 times negative 14 is what? Negative 28. Negative 28 plus 43? 15. Or positive, right? And here, let's just reduce this one. There is no harm in doing two operations at the same time. Let's reduce lo 3 lo abe u lo tunjani. Let's reduce 3 abe u 0. What can we do? We can multiply row 1 by u3 angisho and add to 4 times ubani? Negative, negative 3 times row 1 plus 4 times ubani? Row 3. Please, lama row operations, you must know them from first year. Please, you can do fractions if you want to do fractions, but so lana negative 3 times 4 is negative 12 angisho. Negative 12 plus 4 times 3, which is 12, is what? Is 0. So automatically this is reduced to 0. Then again, negative 3 times negative 2 is tolubani? Positive 6 angisho. Positive 6 times 4 times 4, which is 16. Positive 6 plus 16, so toluba 22. And then on the other side, negative 3 times negative 14, 42. Then 42 plus 4 times 6. 42 times plus 4 times 6. 66. Hey, I'm a mathematician. Alright. So from here you are done. You don't have to reduce furthermore. You are done. Solve for C1 or C2 land. It's going to be hard to solve for C1 or C2. As one end. This is C1. This is C2. Once in no 0 land, this is saying we say U22 C2 is equals to bani 66. So must not divide by 22 on both sides. What must be my C2? 22 into 66, 3. Even if you use this one, it's still gonna be the same thing. If you're gonna say 5 times UC2 is equals to 15, then divide by 5 on both sides. You're gonna get to UC2 is equals to bani 3. But is row number 2. One of the rows can be inconsistent. Which one should you trust? Use the third row always to find UC2 up. And then from here again, you can find UC1 using the first row, which is saying with the 4C1 and it's in Lena Eukal. It's in 4C1, right? 4C1 minus 2C2 is equals to negative 14. And knowing UC21 is negative is positive 3. So this is 4C1 minus 2 times 3 is equals to negative 14. Then 4C1 must be equals to negative 14 plus 6, if I'm not mistaken, which is going to give you negative 8, right? And then from here, divide by 4 on both sides. What is going to be my C1? Negative 2. So these are the constants that I require. Uthi ngiwa multiplying ama vectors wami. Khona ngizo-expressa u-vector B as a linear combination. Aseswa-testeni uthi a-correct yini? Azosinika yini u-B? I just say C1 now, C2 now. We only need two coefficients, masina two vectors. Masina 3 so tingangaki 3 coefficients njalo njalo. Khumbulani ke uvector B wethu ebesizama ukum-expressa bekubani u-14 43 6 angisho. Asimzibeni siyenze ngathi asimazi. Let's just use these two vectors nalama constants esiwatholile. Sithola ukuthi u-C1 wethu ubani konje negative 2 angisho. Sathola ukuthi u-C2 wethu ubani positive 3. Substitute u-C1 no-C2 here and try to see it. You get u-B. Let's just try to see that. So lana we found out that u-C1 is negative 2, u-C2 is 3. And I will just bring back the vectors again. Bengithe mina u-vector V1 is 4 negative 8 3, right? That was my vector V1. So I'm going to say C1 times u-vector V1 plus C2 times u-vector V2. Unga-equate no B over manje because you are not sure which are they going to give you UP. Let's just try to see are they going to give us UP given what we have. U-C1 wethu sithole bani u-negative 2. What was u-vector V1? It was 4 negative 8 3. And u-C2 sithole bani u-3. What was vector V2 konje? It was negative 2 9 positive 4. And if we resolve this is going to be negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Sayibona ngisho. Negative 2 times negative 8 is positive 16. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Plus 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. 3 times 9, 27. Angisho. 3 times 4, 12. And then now we can just do a vector addition of the corresponding entries. Negative 8, negative 6, what do we get? Negative 14. 16 plus 27, what do we get? 43. Negative 6, positive 12, what do we get? 6. Obani? Positive 6, angisho. Now. So this is what we get when we combine using U-C1 no C2 wethu. Combine u-vector V1 no V2. Nakho esikutholayo lokho. U-negative 14, 43, 6. Manje asibukeni u-B abasipheni. Bewuthini u-B abasiphena? Nangu u-B. It was what? Negative 14, 43, 6. So it means we have solved u-C1 no C2. Okuwukuthi when we multiply our vector V1 and V2 with those constants and we add them together, we must get the same thing as bani as u-B. So it means ukuthi u-B it is a linear combination of what? Of u-V1 no V2. With which coefficients? With the coefficients negative 2 and positive 3. So sungasho uyadeduce and say therefore u-vector B, because this output is equals to the same output as u-vector B. So u-vector B is a linear combination of u-vector V1 and vector V2 with coefficients C1 is equals to negative 2, C2 is equals to positive 3. So we have expressed u-vector B as a what? As a linear combination. Kunzima in log. Is it hard? All about solving C1 no C2. Let's do one of the tricky ones without too many numbers. So I can take a one here that was from Miss Nampalala. So from Miss Nampalala, I think we do have. Okay, we're still gonna do it as a span. But basically, do you see the idea of doing a linear combination? That's the line when the linear combination. No, just need to find the C1, no C2, such that you're gonna get that and that. So there are definitions to be written, and as if you are a fan of looking at this using definitions. But this is the definition of how a linear combination is. If you let V1, V2 until Vn as vectors in the column vector Rn space, a vector B is a linear combination if you can express UB as coefficient 1 times vector V1 plus 2 njalo njalo lento standard. So UB is a linear combination if they exist scalars, noma numbers, noma constants that you can multiply vector V1, V2 until vector Vn with and add them together to get to bani vector B. So UB is a linear combination of vector V1 until Vn. Is it hard? That's how we deal with linear combinations. So you will do more examples to try and see what is this correct, Norma? Yeah, you do more examples. So ama-problem senozenzela. Mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi abantu, did they understand how you split these two? Is the first thing engiyenzile when you started the lesson. To say when you're having scalars, you can express them this way, noma you can compress them. You can expand or you can compress them. But that's about equivalent. So solve C1 or C2. If you know how to do this, then we can go to the span of a vector. So not that span is anything different from linear combinations. Actually, a span is actually a linear combination. So what do we say? There are many ways that you can use to define a span of a certain vector. There are many ways that you can use to define a span of a set of vectors. So I will project a definition here for formality purposes. Ngizoveza i-definition. I will show a definition. All right, so fine. Let's just look at the things that we need to conclude on. Please, let's conclude on these things and make sure that we understand these three conditions based on a linear combination. If a linear system is inconsistent, then UB can never be a linear combination. Into inconsistent ite kanjani konje? Inconsistent solution is a no solution. Siyazi leyo nto angisho. So when you do your matrix, row reduction, whatever, and then you find out that your system is giving you something like 1, 2, 0, 2, 3, 1, ite kanjalo, and maybe 2, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. This solution is what? Inconsistent. Sayibona ngisho. Because this is suggesting with him, 0 times the third variable, maybe x3 must be equals to 1. So 0 is equals to 1. And 0 can never be what? Can never be 1. So it means the solution is inconsistent. Which would say vector v1, or let's just call it vector x1, x2, x3. So you see no vector x1, no vector x2, no vector x3. They can never be used to write this vector as a linear combination. If you remember carefully, you know the solutions are the vectors as solved by an issue. And lawa ilama vectors that are supposed to be linear combinations. But the moment a system is inconsistent at the end here, what can you deduce? You will say, you can never express this vector 2, 3, 1 as a linear combination. If when they row reduction and you find that the system is what? Is not consistent, is inconsistent. So once system is inconsistent, then you can say B can never be written as a what? As a linear combination. So that's the first postulate that you can mention them. If the linear system is consistent, if a linear system is consistent and the solution is unique, we know a unique solution angisho. A certain value of x, y, and z. So if there is a unique solution, it means the vector B can be written as what? As a linear combination. In only one way. Only one way. Njengalana in this example that we did, vector B, we have written it as a linear combination using these two constants. This is the only way of writing vector B as a linear combination of these vectors. There is no other ways. Why kunjalo? It's because when we solved our system of linear equations, we found out that the solution is injani inconsistent. We found C2, we found C1, only one value that is C2 no C1. So if your solution, if your system is consistent, you can say you can only have one linear combination. You can only express B as what? As one linear combination. If there's a unique solution of the system of linear equations there. But if it's inconsistent, you can never obtain a linear combination. Then the third postulate, if a linear system is consistent, but it is infinitely many solutions, I just say has infinitely many solutions, whereby you are having a metric solution yako. Let's just say you are now doing your metric solution and it's something like maybe 1, 0, 0, 2, maybe 3, 0, 2, 1. And here, maybe let's just say you have solved linear system yako. You find 0, 0, 0, 0. This is infinitely many solution. akufani no solutions. Yabona, this is 0, 1. This is 0 is equals to 0, and this is true for all elements of real numbers. So you need to pick the last, as you still remember method, the last entry, you must let it be what? Be t, where t is an element of real numbers, right? To show that you are having many solutions, all of the solutions are going to be true. So here, this is an infinitely many solution. Once you have an infinitely many solution, it means ukuthi u-B wakho ungambhala as a what? As a linear combination, but in many ways, in infinitely many ways. So you can find many different types of coefficients that you can multiply to your vectors so that you solve your what? Your P. Normally you express your P as a linear combination. But if you're having a unique solution, you can only express it as one possible linear combination. So please hold those 3 conditions at heart because they're gonna be needed, right? And other conclusions that we can make based on our linear combinations that I want to it is this one. The zero vector is always a linear combination. Is zero vector has in a linear combination. So if you let a vector B be a zero vector, let's just say you've got a zero vector U0. Ungai express as a what? As a linear combination. If you are given a set of vectors uv1, uv2, uv3, all the way until a vector vn, you can still write uv0 vector as a what? As a linear combination of all that. So the zero vector can be written as that. Kanjani. So u0 vector ngambhala kanjani? I can just say I will let u-c1 wamabo u0. Like the scale and multiply no 0 vector v2. No v1, no v3 until uvn. Lokho ngimamultiply nobani? No 0. What's my outcome there? 0. So the zero vector can always be what? A linear combination. So I can always express it as u0 times uv1. This 0 is a scalar njani. Plus u0 times ubani? uv2. Plus all the way until ubani? u0 times ubani? uvn. I know that if I multiply these vectors by 0, I'm still going to get ubani? u0. Then that's all. There is nothing else. So for that to happen, what must be the coefficient? 0. Please, asibambe lab. What must be the coefficient? 0. Sazoyibona later on ukuthi what if ungasoyu 0 but still sithole 0? Ila sokhuluma khona nge-linear dependence. And then another one, that one more conclusion that you can make, I don't know if it's necessary. The vector vi is always a linear combination. So vi is always nakhona a linear combination. So vi is always a linear combination of the vectors v1 all the way until uvn. Let's just say, for example, without writing any definitions, if I say I've got a vector v1, uv1 wami, I can express it using many vectors within this vector space. Mhlampe I'm having v2, v3 all the way in segment no vn. Ngakwazi ukubhala v1 as a sum of all these other vectors. uv1 analingana no v1 plus v2 plus v3 until uvn. Kanjani? What must happen for the two, or what must be the coefficients for uv1 utalingane nesum yalawo ma vectors onke? What must be the coefficients of the other vectors? 0. Shuthi kumele angacontribute lutho. Shuthi kumele kahle uv1 ngimultiply nobani? No 1. But all the other vectors multiply nobani? No 0. All the other vectors, I must multiply them by 0 until the nth vector. Because if I just add all of them, they're going to give me 0. And I'm still going to remain with v1. So we say that a vector vi in a vector space, it can be expressed as a linear combination of all the vectors in the vector space. Well, how do you do that? You let the coefficient of that vector be 1 and the rest be 0. So please, those conclusions are necessary because sazowadinga njengoba senza i-span set of vectors. If you understand a linear combination, you are already done with a span. Because the span is just a linear combination. So let's talk about a span set of vectors. So when we are talking a span set of vectors, right, I will try to put a definition here if you like English. But now, I'll put a definition. Let V1, V2 until V2 until Vn be vectors in a vector space. The set of all vectors that are linear combination of V1, V2, Vp is called the span of V1, V2 until Vp, and we denote it by this. Yini span kahle kahle? Span is more like a space having all the vectors that can be expressed as what? As linear combinations. A span is more like the space having all the vectors that can be expressed as linear combinations. Alright, kanjani? Let's just say I'm having vectors out 2 in a vector space. V1 given by 2, 0, 0 and V2 given by 1, 0, 2. There are many combinations I can make from here. Yeah, if I just say mhlawumbe anginayo ivector, ngifuna ukukhanda ivector using these combinations. I can just say vector V1 plus 2 times vector V2. If ngathi vector V1, okay, asiqale ngale simple nje. Mangathi V1 plus V2, ngakhanda enye ivector. Mangathi 2 plus 1, I can create ubani? I can create 2 plus 1. I can create another vector. Call it vector B, right? And then mhlambe ngithi V1 wami is 2, 0, 0. V2 wami is 1, 0, 2. If I add this is 2 plus 1, I get ubani? 2 plus 1 toluba, 3. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 2, 2. So vector B, which is given by 302, is a linear combination using this way. I can do another one, because lana we are not given a vector and we have to make a linear combination. We are given just 2 vectors. You can make infinitely many ways, many combinations. Ngayishaya enye combination mina ngithini? 2 times vector V1 minus vector V2. Minus is the same thing as saying plus negative V2. Okay? So if I do this and say this is vector C, call it vector C for my liking. If I say this is 2 times vector V1 given by 2, 0, 0 minus vector V2 given by 1, 0, 2. I can get a vector C, then it's 2 times 2 is 4 minus 1, I get ubani? 3. If I say 2 times 0 is 0 minus 0, I get ubani? 0. If I say 2 times 0, I say 0 minus 2, I get ubani? Negative 2. These are not the same, by the way, if you can see. Negative 2 there. So vector B no vector C, bonke, they are what? They are linear combinations of ubani? Vector V1 no bani no vector V2, but using different coefficients. So if I make a set of different combinations, yama coefficients land, I can make infinitely many linear combinations. So kahle ispan of a vector space, noma ispan set of vectors, it is just the space containing all the possible linear combinations. So ispan, we represent it using this notation. We say this is the span of the vectors V1 and the vectors V2. So mangathi the span of vectors V1, V2, I'm just trying to say I'm talking about the space containing all noma space esinawo wonke ama vectors engawabhala as linear combinations of what? Of these 2 vectors using different combinations of coefficients. So B is B in the span of V1 and V2 mangabozi. In other words, is B a linear combination of V1 and V2? Yes. Is C a linear combination of V1 and V2? Yes. So B is in the span of this. C is in the span of this. Span actually is a space. So B and C, they are all in the span kabani? Ka V1 no V2. So mangizoyibhala leyo nto ngizothi B is an element of, vector B is an element of the span of V1 nobani no V2. Okusho ukuthini? Okusho ukuthi vector B is a linear combination of V1 and V2 in simple terms. So mangithi vector B is an element of the span of V1 and V2. Zamuthi mina ke B can be written as a linear combination of V1 and V2 using a set of coefficients owafunayo wena. C yena is it in the span of V1 and V2? Yes, because you can express it as a combination, linear combination. So ngathi mina vector C is in the span of bani v1 and v2. A span is just the space containing all the possible linear combinations that you can make on a what? On a vector using different coefficients. So actually that's what a span is. So when you are told to find to prove which it does this span this, bafuna nje ukuthi uprove ukuthi is this a linear combination of this. So now understand my linear combinations, you probably understand what a span is. In case you want to understand what a span is here, I don't know, this geometry here. There is a geometry that you can use to explain a span set of a vector. Yeah, there is some geometry. If you are having a column vector with 2 here, it simply means you are having 2 dimensions. If you are having with 3, it means you are having 3 dimensions, and so on and so forth. So this is geometric applications, but for the sake of which this is abstract algebra, we're not going to look at any of that. It's useless for this course. But I'm sure we're still going to revisit this later if we are doing physics and whatnot. So all we have to do is to do questions. We are done with spans and linear combinations. So let's start with questions and try to see what can we be able to find what is supposed to be found, right? So I will take a question, Lana, that will say what? That will say find the value of m. So find OM such that, find the value of m such that the vector m 7, -4 is a linear combination. Is a linear combo of the vectors 2, -2, 2, 1, no ban, 2, 1, -2. So find what must be m. What must be the value of m so that this is a linear combination of these two. So I like naming things. Let's just say this is our vector b, and these are our vectors v1, no bani, no v2. So we must just find what must be m. M kumele abe ubani. Khona sizokwazi ukuexpressa b using v1 no v2 in the set of coefficients of your choice based on the calculation. So lana ke asiqaleni ke manje. This is in paragraph format, that's why sifaka bokhoma kanjeni. It's in paragraph, but you can use a square bracket and whatnot. So ahlahle lana sifuna ukuthi thina, what do we want? We want to express, we want to use a certain constant, no, a certain coefficient, call it C1. C multiply nobani, nalo vector V1. So ahlahle we must have something like C1 times vector V1 plus C2 times bani, vector V2 is equals to the vector B. Because what's in born? OP is linear combination. So you already know that they exist a constant C1 and C2, such that C1 times V1 plus C2 times vector V2, you must get to vector bani B. So lana, this is C1 times vector V1, which is given by obani -2, 2, 1. Then C2 vector V2 is given by obani 2, 1, -2. And we are supposed to solve vector B given by m 7, -4. Ungathuswa ukuthi unama coefficients unama unknowns amaningi. Continue, follow the process exactly as it is. If we follow through the process lana, we can write this as ubani. Remember the combination esiwenzayo ngisho. We take the first column as -2, 2, 1. The column kabani lena ka C1 is multiplied by C1. Then the second column is 2, 1, -2. The column kabani lena ka C2. So it means that we are actually multiplying this by C1 and C2. If we expand this using a matrix multiplication, still going to be the same thing as that one. So we are converting our vectors into matrices. This must be able to give us the solutions OM, no 7, no -4. And then what's the next step here? Is to take these as the solutions of these vectors. How we got there. This is -2, 2, 2, 1, 1, -2. So ngizothini mina, this one will be icolumn ka-C1, column ka-C2. And I will take these as the solutions. That's why I'll put a line. So the solutions of this system is M7, -4. Siyabona ke manje ukuthi our vector that is a linear combination must be a solution. And all we have to do lana is to do what? Row reduction. Must get the row reduction in attempt of solving C1 and C2 here. What are we gonna do? What can we do to do a row reduction land to make this 0 and 0? This is minus 2, M. R1 plus R2. And you just say minus 2 plus 2, 0. So it's straightforward. And then 2 plus 1, 3. M plus 7. M plus 7. And how can we reduce this to 0? What can we use? We can use this or we can use this. Still gonna give you the same thing because system keep balance there. So choose which one you use. Do you use len or m? No matter to use this one with a number. Len and number I think is way better for you. But you can use len or m na corner. The m's must find a way to relate. As you then the row 2 and say if we multiply row 2 by ubani negative half angisho. So if we divide row 2 by 2, negative 2, then we add this to row 3. We must get what? We must get 0 here. So negative half times 1 is negative half. Negative half plus negative 2, like negative half minus 2. Soluban. Negative half minus 2. Yeah. See? No, spegale. Mama's kulma ordo 1 ordo 2 are referring to the previous matrix always. Njengoba besiya row 1 plus row 2 lan uze sikhandele row len. Si etelena na len. This one, if you're gonna use this one, it will be wrong. So I say wrong. You must do it at least in the. If you're gonna use this one, melubuyisele low 1, negative 2, the negative 4 exactly as it is. Then you carry out your operation in the next step. But Lana, you can do it simultaneously, which is minimize a but you use a previous. Maskuma ngordo 1 or 2, we're talking about the previous matrix always. Like the latest previous matrix. Maso yago matrix is 3, maso kuna ngordo 1, kumang alone. But I think that's basic. But okay, I'm showing. Is it wrong? There's no ungenza once at a time, once uvelwenze kayi-1. Awukuya ngothi i-math yakhe kanjani. Mawuthi ufuna uthatha step by step is fine. You can do that. Don't solve this row. Go to the next matrix and then you implement len. But it's not not gonna use the same command. But because this is the same column, it's easier. Ungavelwenza ama-operations at the same time. But if you fear, if we are sour, please, complicate math. Step by step is better. Step by step is better. Now I recommend step by step, but there's no time, German. So this one 0. Is it fine if I proceed? This one negative half and negative half minus 2. Soluba. Minus 5 over 2. I'm a mathematician. Lo, calculator. Okay, negative 7 over 2 minus 4. Yeah, obvious. Negative half times 7 is negative 7 over 2. Plus negative 4. Soluba, negative 7 over 2 minus 4. Soluba. Minus 15 over 2. Okay. So here you can solve with M work. Actually, we'll solve with M land. How? So start to basic first year man. Later lega C1, lega bani ka C2. You are having 2 entries that can solve you ubani C2. And now my entries they must supposedly be equal. So if you use le S2, coefficient yake ubani with 3. So this is 3 C2 must be equals to bani M plus 7. Is it fine, Ganjen? If I use the third row, this is negative 5 over 2 C2. It must be equals to bani negative 15 over 2. Singahluleka uthola u-C2 lana khona sothola u-M. No. So initially ungasabi ukuthi u-C1 no-C2 awumazi, please. Singayisabi leyo nto. C1 no-C2 awumazi, ungayisabi leyo nto. First, just continue. Follow through the process. What is C2? 3, exactly. And then now you substitute like, okay, back, because like 3C2 is equal to M plus 7. So if you substitute C2 wako 3 land, then you're just gonna say this is 3 times 3 is equal to bani? M plus 7. What is 3 times 3? 9 is equal to M plus 7. Then what is the value of M? 2. Then the mini test is on. Now me quiz. It's simple. You just need to put in the work. Yeah. Mele nje u-sacrifice okumbalwa nje. Bela. Siyabona? Okay, let me ngiveze la wenza ukuthi abanye bezokwazi ukubona. All right. So that's how we solve. Let's solve lena ka H. I won't do all the questions. Ngifuna ukuthi I want more people to be accountable bawenza ama question because hey, if we do everything zongena nezimbuzi lapha. We only do couple of questions, then you will challenge yourself to do more. Right. So something that has to do with a linear combination as well. All right. So it's in lento. Does. Let's start with the simplest one here for pets. For simplicity sake, I'll start no 2 by 2 low or miss. Okay. For now. All right. So does the vector v1 given by 1, 1, does the vector v1 given by 1, 1 and vector v2 given by 2, negative 1 span real numbers to the power of 2 lapha? I just say as notation, let's say r to the power of 2 million. So I was to say v1 no v2 to the span this. Cumulative span is the space whereby all linear combinations possible are there. So thina sifuna ukubona ukuthi kahle kahle these two vectors, these two, are they found in the span of R2, r to the power of 2. Well, r to the power of 2 is just a span of real numbers. And ama real numbers lan, lo r to the power 2 generally sikhuluma ngani? Sikhuluma nge-real number u-x nobani no y. All of these are just what? Are just real numbers. So sifuna ukubona ukuthi thina masingahlanganisa u-v1 no v2 sizokwazi yini ukuthola ama real numbers. It's general land, there are no numbers put, just x, y. Because once wangathi span of R2 we are referring to all real numbers. We're having ama dimensions at 2 kanjeni like 1, 2. We're talking about all real numbers having this dimension. So this is what we have to prove. Okay, angiphinde futhi. Ngithini? No v1, no v2. Sifuna ukuprove ukuthi kahle can we find a constant c1 and c2 that we can multiply to v1 no v2. Khona sothola ini ama real numbers. Awu-2 alandelanayo. So lawo ma real numbers can be anything. So I will write this as x and y pair. Sazobona ukuthi si modify kanjani statement set. Asithathe kancane. So v1, v2 is. So kahle thina we are trying to say ukuthi u-x no y we must be able. Remember, must something is in the span of something. Simply means uthini lo xy we must be able to write it as a what? As a linear combination of these two vectors. So we must have vector c1 also multiply 1 no 1 1 plus vector c2 multiplied by ubani 2 negative 1. So the general format is saying here lo xy wethu lo xy wethu mhlambe simbize ngo vector x. Sifuna ukuthi sithi c1 times vector v1 plus c2 times vector v2. So kumele thola c1 no c2 abazokwenza ukuthi le linear combination ibe true. Asenzeni same thing ebesiyenza ke asenzeni this is 1 1 angisho 2 negative 1 angisachaza okuningi angisho because sesibonile ke ukuthi isebenza kanjani. C1 C2 siyayivuma lento angisho this is equals to x and y. And to find C1 and C2 there, I can compress lento le ibe matrix A1. The 1, 2, 1, negative 1. And then put these as the solution. Ubani, X no Y. These are the solutions. No matter this is the vector that I'm trying to express as a linear combination. Then this is i-row kabani. This is the column ka C1, column ka C2. Then this is my vector X. So let's just do a row reduction. Same thing. So I how do you conclude the final answer? But the steps are fun. Whether they are numbers, normal they are no numbers. The steps are the same. How do you then conclude? We'll see that. So what row operations can we do to reduce length? We only need to reduce into one. So there are not too many steps. So this is 1, 2. This is X. And then if we reduce row 1 low, how can we reduce it? Negative row 1 plus bani row 2. So negative 1 plus 1, 0. Negative 2 plus negative 1. Negative 2 minus 1 uban. Negative 3, angish. Is it? Then negative x plus y. Negative x plus y. Ganjen. So you can find C1 and C2 from here in terms of x and y because you don't have any numbers. Lana lento le itin, this is column ka C1, column ka C2. So essentially this is negative 3C2 is equals to negative x plus y. So what must be C2 for that to happen? Negative x over 3 plus y over minus y over 3. X minus y over 3. So if you mind thinking right limit x minus y over 3. Please, you can just multiply by negative 1 the whole thing. Let's divide by 3. So C2 uyi-length. C1 ke somthola kanjani lana? Ithini lento le 1 C1 angisho plus 2 C2 must give us ubani x. So from here this is C1 is what we are looking for. C2 is given by x minus y over 3. This must yield us ubani x. Simplify this using a simplification method. You can just take this as C1 plus 2x minus 2y. Yavumeleka lokho over 3. Price lokho. Yes, maths. Hey, khona abantu ayenza maths lana, so I'm very sensitive about how I do calculations. X minus 2x. Hey, you transpose lento leni uzoyenza ngendlela yakho, but you're gonna transpose this thing, get it to the other side of the equal sign. Now, and then you simplify. What are we gonna get like? This is over 1 angish. Maunga hlanganisa sama fraction awu 2. LCD yethu ithini lana? U3 angish. So uzoba ubani lona? U3x minus bani? Minus 2x plus 2y. Right. 2x minus x ubani na? X. So this is x plus 2y over 3. So now my constants work. C1, nangu bani, nangu C2. Yes. So it means uthi you are already done, but there's some extra conclusions that we need to make. So lana ke sitheni uxy kumele sikwazi uku-expressa using our constants. Let's just put our constant noma our coefficients. Eyokuqala ubani? X plus 2y over 3 times vector v1. What was vector v1 konje? Bekubani 1 1 angisho. Then the other one x minus y over, or just x minus y. X minus y over 3. Then the other constant bekubani in the other vector negative 1. Now, so you've already expressed to xy as a what? As a linear combination. But since this is so general, how do you then prove? How do you then prove ukuthi a solution yakho is supposedly correct? Ithini lento lena? U-equal sign sibom respect siyazi u-equal sign usho ukuthini? Lento lena ozoyithola lana izolingana nento ozoyithola phezulu. Like lo x ozomfaka lana, it will be the same thing as what you get on the other side. And this is for all real numbers. So since lento le is general, to try to see ukuthi are your solutions correct, because ungayenza math wrong lana uthola C1 no C2 ngendlela enjani wrong. Essentially you are done finding C1 no C2 vele bakhona vele, they are existing according to the calculation. But if udoubt calculation yakho, just let x be a number and y be another number. Use simple numbers for simplicity's sake when the thing be too hard. So if I let x abe 1 no y abe 1, on the other side of the equal sign I must get the same thing. So mangafaka 1 lana ngifaka 1 bese ngiyawahlanganisa yonke lento le kumele thole 1 1. If I don't get 1 1, it's wrong. Asenze njalo. Asifake 1 lana, this will be 1 plus 2 over 3. 1 plus 2 over 3 ubani? 3 over 3 1. So this will be 1 into 1 1. Put 1 lana, this is 1 minus 1 over 3. This is 0. Angish, 0 times the matrix ubani? 0. So this is essentially plus 0 0. Will it ever contribute anything? No. So do you see on the one side of the equal sign on the other side? You see actually your solution is correct because this solution is general. You see for any values got x no y ongayipika lana ongayifaka lana, you are still going to get the same thing, same solution. If you put u2 lana and for okay, city 2 2, fagu 2 2 lana, you must also be able to get 2 2 from this side of the equal sign. Then you can say uti therefore the vectors v1 and the vectors v2 they span for R2. So the vectors v1 and v2 they span real numbers 2. Simple. Kunzima enough. So esokugcina ku-quiz that will further solidify statement set. Okay, quiz was a multiple choice. Which one of the following does not span R3? Choose you were supposed to test all of them one by one. You were supposed to test them one by one. Ubona ukuthi iyiphi ezo span. But ke ngenxa yokuthi khokhona uba ChatGPT ongakwazi nokubona i-matrix ngiyenze ukuthi umuntu ayithole wrong. So test them one by one. So lana ke the answer, I will give you the answer and I will prove that the answer is correct. Because I'm not going to test them one by one. It's going to take too long, the whole page. So I will reverse the question and I say that prove that X, which is a vector space or which is a vector given by U2 negative 1 3 and then Y which is given by U4 1 2 and U vector Z which is given by U8 negative 1 8. So prove, ngiyayishintsha question njalo but it's still in the same context. Prove that these vectors span R3. Or prove that they do not span. Do not. So prove that my vectors law, they can never be combined in whatever linear combination to get a real number. Just now mungawahlanganisa kanjani lama vectors lawo angeke uze uthole real number. Kahle hle. Asesibone ukuthi is that correct or not. Siqale phi? U-R3 angisho is just generally talking about real numbers in a column angisho. So you can name those numbers as ubani, U-X, Y, no Z. Whereby all of those X, Y, Z are all real numbers. Angeke ngisakubhala lokho element of real numbers. Sesiyawazi. But thina sizo attempt uzoprove ukuthi ayispan, try to prove ukuthi iyaspana yini. Yeah, to prove that it does not happen, try to prove it if it happens. Anyway, so try to solve a constant C1 ongayi multiply no vector X which is 2 negative 1 3 and try to find a constant C2 that you can multiply with vector Y or 4 1 2 and try to find another constant C3 that you can multiply with 8, negative 1, 8, such that you're going to get real numbers. Are we going to get real numbers here? Using the same format, matrix here too, this one is going to be 3 by 3. We're having 3 entries man. So the first entry is in 2, negative 1, 3. The second entry is in 4, 1, 2. Then the third one is 8, negative 1, 8. And all of these are multiplied to C1, C2, and C3. You can prove which is this correct, no, it's not correct. You can do matrix multiplication again. 2 times C1, nako. Negative 1 times C1, nako. Yabuya again. And all of these are equal to the solutions X, solutions Y, and solutions Z. So, can we now prove from here? If we compress the matrix here into 1, this is going to give us 2, 4, 8. Negative 1, 1, negative 1. This is going to be 3, 2, 8. And the solution in the matrix here is going to be vector here, which is 1, X, Y, Z. Whereby the rows, here C1, C2, so all the things that you need to do learn is row reduction, row operations. We'll try to make them quick and simple. 2 steps is enough most of the time. 2 steps are enough. Okay, so 2, 4, 8 lapha phezulu. Alright, we don't reduce the first row. Let's try to reduce negative 1 into 0. Singenza njani ke bantu bemaths? Singenza njani? Reduce negative 1 into 0. You can say half times this plus this again. Yeah, if you are good with fractions, nakhona. If you are not good with fractions, you can say what? 2 plus bani or row 1 plus 2 times row 2. If you are not good with fractions, because ama fractions are nokuhlangahlanganisana. Especially magno x lapha lokho uthi x over 2. Ngiyenzeka nje usungayiboni into yakho. Ugcina uthola isolution ekubeni ingekho. So, if I say row 1, for simplicity's sake, ngicela nje ukuthatha this one because it's not going to give me any fractions. Please, may I take this one? Row 1 plus 2 row 2. I know it's lento nezongikhiphela 0. For row 1, if I take this one, this is 4 plus 2 times 1. 4 plus 2 solubani 6. If I say this is 8, 8 plus negative 2, 8 minus 2 solubani 6. If I say x plus 2 times y, obani x plus 2y. I keep fraction, I minimize them fractions for my simplicity's sake. Go safe bafethu reduce these two at the same time. It's safe to reduce these two at the same time. It's safe if you are sure into enzyme. It needs skills. But otherwise, to protect yourself, go ahead and create a new matrix. But here mina ngizoyireduce kanye kanye. How can I reduce this one to 0? 3, negative 3, R1 plus 2 R3 ascending. So this is negative 6 plus 6 is 0 angisho. And then negative 3 times 4 negative 12 angisho. Negative 12 plus 2 times 2 no negative 12 plus 4. Negative uban negative 8. Negative 3 times 8 negative 24 angisho. Negative 24 plus 2 times 8 negative 24. This is what we get angisho. So from here, see, I want us to simplify kanjani. So doing ama row operations wethu, we found out to lana if we say R1 plus R2, we simplify this to 0, we get 6 6 minus 8 kanjani. But remember, at least lana, since it's a 3 by 3, C1, C2, C3 ama rows wakho, we must at least reduce nalo abe ubani abe 0 because it's a 3 by 3. Ngabe ku 2 by something. Ngabe 3 by 2 bekuzoba ngcono because this one would have already been solved. But here we need to make negative 8 about 0. So let's try to do just that in our next step, the matrix set. So from here, how can I make this to be 0? So So let me say this is 248. This is x. Then this is 066. And I'll write this as x plus 2y. So how can I make lo negative 8 row 3 above 0? Can I use row 1? No, it's not safe to use row 1 because of lo 2 lon. So we need to try and use row 2. Row 2 nang row 2 siyambona row 2 ethomusha nang sebenzisa yena ngasebenzisi lo ya. Once you create a new matrix, you refer mawuthi row 2 ukhuluma ngale previous. So what can we do to reduce that to 0? 3 times R3 plus 4 times R2. 4 times R2 plus 3 times R3. Alright, ascending 4 times 0 plus 0 there. 4 times 6 there, so total 24 angisho. 24 plus negative 24 is 0 there. Then 4 times 6, again, still going to be the same outcome. 4 times 6, 24, plus 3 times negative 8, 0 again. Then ascending foot, 4 times x plus 2y, ascending 4 times lo x plus 2y, plus 3 times lo negative 3x plus 2z. So this is 4x plus 8y minus 9x angisho minus plus minus kanjena ngisho plus. Alright, minus plus. Alright, so 3 times lapho 2z, so total 6z. So simplifying using like terms. 4x minus 9x minus 5x angisho. Then plus 8y plus 6z. This is minus 5x plus 8y plus 6z. Ayibo. Singasolva yini C1 no C2 no C3 wethu la? What's the problem? Inconsistent. Sithenge inconsistent solution. You can never have a vector that can be a linear transformation when the system is inconsistent. Well, ama-mathematicians mhlawumbe angasi-argue-shela-ke athi if x and y and z are 0, then this is infinitely many solutions. But empeleni thina sifuna ukubona ukuthi does it span u-R3? We are talking about all real numbers. This solution can only be consistent with infinitely many solutions if x no y no z bayini bawu-0. But thina x no y no z phethu sifuna ukuthi babe yini? Ama-real numbers. And u-0 it's not like u-0 is the only real number that exists. So automatically these cannot span they cannot span, because if we say 0 is equals to negative 5x plus 8y plus 6z, this can only be true if x and y and z are what? Are 0 phela. But if you just say generally uthatha real number uyifunayo ufaka u222 lana, are you gonna get 0? No. So automatically these cannot span the real numbers. But if they say does this span the 0 vector space, this would be correct. So for the question, let's say does it span real numbers in a column? Check it. Right. So does this span real numbers in a column? No. Because this, I don't know, you conclude using your English, but basically just prevail, mathematical access prevail, this can only be true if and only if if x no y no z, they are what? They are 0, they are all 0. Of which x no y no z or 0 is not really, does not really imply, it does not really imply real numbers raised to the power of 3. So automatically you can say which the vectors x, y, z do not span. They are not an element of the span of real numbers. mathematical, but they do not span. So says probability our span, because vele probability kahle kahle lana, this is inconsistent. Vele once it becomes inconsistent, you already know. But it can only be consistent if x and y and z are 0. So these are spanning the 0 vector space pair. Because if they say to see, does x, y, z span the 0 vector space? Both are yes. Because vele lana, monga x is equal to 0, no y is equal to 0, no z is equal to 0. Automatically, you can be able to solve as infinitely many solution. So sayabona ukuthi kanjani lento lena ngisho. Yes. So that's how a spans go. So you will do more questions lapha ku quiz, and you will do nibuzane nisizaneni. My job is done on spans.